Y'all see it. Yup, everything custom. This ain't your regular 442. That's my bill. Tape whips. Y'all been following me, man. Y'all know, man. I done put a lot into this bill. What's up, 803 Whip Games? It's your boy. I'm back with another video. We up here at Queens Custom. Got my boy B up here. He's getting that body work right. He about to get this Harley right. But I stopped up here, man, to give y'all an update on the cutty. They're getting the doors. Final steps and getting them took care of. Getting the new handles mounted in. Getting everything welded and tacked up. Gonna get the body work, get everything smoothed down. Y'all know how that goes, man. Boy Queen is just spraying right now. He don't play no games. He always in the booth. Y'all see it. He wetting that thing down right now. But I just came up here, man, to give y'all an update, man. I'm excited now. We at the end road. Got the fenders over there. They ready. Got the other door right here. It's getting right. Y'all see it. They getting everything right. They got that handle welded in. Y'all see the work, man. The work gonna speak for itself, so I ain't even gonna say too much. I'll let you experts say what y'all got to say in the comment section, but y'all see it, man. Next stop, Stitch by Slick. He gonna lace it down for the final process of the build. But y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. But y'all thought we was playing around here? Yes, sir. Smooth as butter. We're in the final. We're getting in the final steps. Y'all remember this issue we had? You feel me? Done the right way. No rust. No filler. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Everything. But I just wanted to stop in, man. I ain't gonna show y'all too much. Color gonna be crazy on it, so y'all stay tuned with that. Color definitely gonna be crazy. I ain't gonna tell y'all what color we going, but just know it's gonna be crazy. Everything good though. She's smooth as butter. I have to say, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Y'all see it, man. Everything getting done right. Everything getting done right. Smooth as butter.
I hope you got fantasy point.
Haha. Better have them. Cause we coming. But man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it. One go out, one go in. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I just stopped up here to give y'all a little update. Tell them like one go out, one come in. Y'all see it. He ain't playing no games. Get back in this groove. Y'all heard that. So get ready. It's gonna be a cold summer, man. It's your boy, man. Tay Whips. We out.